Hi everybody and welcome back with the hardware info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set the device type on your MARSHALL KILBURN III on your Android device. Wait a moment. So at first we need to open the settings here, and now we have to energy connected devices. Here we have to tap this gear icon, and here we have to scroll all the way down. Here, as you can see, I do have it grayed out because I do have the Google services enabled for me. But if you don't see it grayed out and you have it none, you have to tap that and select speaker out of the list. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye. If you have some kind of questions, ask in the comments below.